Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert tau symbol in Word document. For this you need to click on insert, click on the symbol, click on more symbol. In the font section you need to select the normal text, and in the subset you need to select the Greek and Coptic and find the tau symbol here. If you are unable to find it, then go to the corrector code and type 03C4 and your cursor will automatically move to the tau symbol, and click OK to insert and close it, and here it is. There is another fastest pro method for Windows user. For this you need to hold the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad type 231 and release the Alt key. If you don't have dedicated numeric keypad, then use this method. You need to type 03C4 and press Alt X Alt together. Another way is that you need to click on the insert and click on the equation. An equation editor box will be open up. You need to put the backslash and type TAU and hit the spacebar. Click outside. Another way is that you need to click on insert, click on the equation and click on this arrow and find here, and here it is. You just need to click it and here it is. So with these 5 methods, you can easily insert tau symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.